And he said, Hymas thought he had it. I got the best of him, man. Did that motivate you? Did you even know those comments were made prior to Moto number 2?
Nah, I mean, I didn't hear anything, but I mean, he rode really good.
You're going to say Deegan gets a ton of hate just because of his name. Whether you don't like his dad, you don't like the YouTube channel, or whatever it is. He is going to get hate for the rest of his career. But I'm going to say this, whether you like him or not, you've got to say it's revolving around him at the moment. You've got questions being asked to other people about him, about what he said. And he's sitting there completely unfazed, eating, just having a good old time at the press conference. And it's not even like he's bad. If he was finishing 10th, 11th, 12th, whatever, like mid-pack and just kind of floating on the money in the name, then sure, you could hate him all you want. But the fact that he's winning motos, he's out front challenging guys, he has an SMX title under his belt already. Like he is a full-on competitor. He is probably one of the championship favorites for the next 2-3 years, whatever it is. He's in the 250 class. And then in the 450, you have to expect him to be thought of as a championship runner. Whether that happens or not, that's yet to be seen. But at the moment, you've got to give it to him. He has put in the work. No matter how much money you're born with, no matter how much has been given to you, whatever you want to say, he could have the best bike in the world, the best trainers, best everything. And if he just said, meh, I really don't care that much, he could be absolutely horrible. But he is putting in the work, and it's showing. I mean, if you're running up front every single race, you're getting moto wins, overall wins, podiums. You can't really hate on the kid's skill. And if you are, you just hate on him for the fact of his name. Or that is, his dad gave him everything. Like, who cares? He's put in the work. He's put in the time. And, I mean, look at somebody like, let's compare him to Evan Ferry, who had all of the money and the name and, everything. And where is he? 20th, 15th, leaving teams, joining teams, and nothing. And personally, I like the little banter, whatever you want to call it, the cardboard cutout people who just sit there and say, oh, I'd like to thank Thor and Monster Energy and my, sponsors here, my sponsors there. That's boring to me. Everyone can say the exact same thing every single time. I would fully be fine with every single one of these riders being cocky and having a, personality and something fun. I think it's great. I know a lot of people hate it for who knows why. I mean, like I said, you probably just hate him because of the name and the YouTube channel and the money, but I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me. What do you think of him? What do you think of the outdoors so far? Are you going to any of the rounds? Who do you think wins the 250 and the 450 title? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform wants to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.